Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.2 question number 8. What is that? Draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have 5 pairs of congruent parts but still the triangles are not congruent. Let us draw let us draw let us draw two triangles. Let us draw two triangles PQR PQR and ABC. In triangle PQR and triangle ABC are defined. You see that angle P is equal to angle B, which is equal to 90 degree, right? And angle Q is equal to angle C, and that is equal to 60 degree. And angle R is equal to angle R is equal to angle A. Angle R is equal to angle A is equal to 30 degree, right? And PQ side is equal to BC side. RP or PR is equal to PR is equal to AC. PR is equal to AC. Here you see first, second, third, fourth, fifth. There are 5 pairs of congruent parts, but still the triangles are not congruent because in this case we have we have 4 criterion for congruent of triangles. Number one is side 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 congruence rule. Number 2 is angle angle side angle congruence rule. Number 3 is side angle side congruence rule. And the fourth one is right hypotenuse side congruence rule. But here you see in this triangle PQR and triangle ABC, none of the congruence rules applies here. In this figure, in triangle PQR and in triangle ABC, we have find that 3 angles are equal and the two sides are equal. But even then, even then, even then, even then, they do not follow any, they do not follow any congruent rule, any congruent rule, right? That is, the congruent rules are side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, and right hypotenuse side. Therefore, you can say that triangle PQR is not congruent, not congruent, not congruent to triangle ABC. And PQR is not congruent to triangle ABC, right? Here you see that 5 pairs of congruent parts. They have 5 pairs because all the three angles and two sides PQ and equal to BC, PR equal to AC. But even then, they do not follow any of the congruence rule, that is side side side, angle, side angle side, and R right hypotenuse side congruence rule. Therefore, you can say that triangle PQR is not congruent to triangle ABC. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.